It's our third day in San Diego, and we're spending the morning in La Jolla. La Jolla is about a 25-minute drive from downtown San Diego, and it's known for its beautiful coastline and its seals and sea lions. We're going to show you how you can enjoy a morning here walking the La Jolla Coast Walk Trail. First of all, start out at the cave store. Here you can purchase a ticket for a small price and climb down some stairs through a tunnel into the Sunny Gem Sea Cave. Here you can watch the water rushing in, see some beautiful views, and it's a really cool and easy way to check out one of the sea caves that the California coast is known for. After checking out the cave, you can start walking south along the La Jolla Coast Walk Trail that lines La Jolla Cove. This is a paved and super easy trail to walk that can give you beautiful views, and it has lots of places to see La Jolla seals and sea lions. A couple things to note about seeing the sea life in La Jolla. First of all, never approach the seals or sea lions. It's very important not to get too close to them. In fact, it can be dangerous to get close. Also, pay attention and stay away from any areas they might have marked off for the seals and sea lions during pupping season. Also note that while the sea animals are really cool, they can give the area a little bit of a smell, so be prepared for that. There are also several beaches along the trail you can visit. This is Shell Beach, where you can climb a set of stairs down to the beach and dip your toes in the ocean. It's also a fun place for tide pooling when the tide is low. And if you keep walking, you'll eventually reach the children's pool. This area is named the children's pool because it's blocked by a seawall, making it a calm place for children to swim. But it's really not recommended that you swim here anymore because of the bacteria in the water and because the seals and sea lions have really taken it over. One cool thing to do here is walk out to the end of the seawall and have the waves crashing around you while you watch the seals and the sea lions. And that wraps up our morning walking along the La Jolla Coast Walk Trail. If you want to keep going, the trail also extends north of the cave store for more views. And of course, afterwards, you can enjoy shopping and dining in La Jolla. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want more to do in San Diego, there's a link in the description of this video.